Welcome, here I've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it because the leveler here is only available in the Pro mode. We can do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to the end. So here we are. Don't be scared about this mode because you can use all of these settings also at auto. I can also invite you to my other film where I explain how to use all of that. Now let's stay like that and let's move to the left corner to this button. By tapping on it we can open the advanced camera settings, and most of them is also available in the standard photo mode. In the Pro mode, when we slide a little bit down to the other, we have one extra thing, horizontal level. By using this button we can easily turn on our leveler, another tap to turn it off. Now let me keep this turned on, let's go back to the camera preview to see it. And as you can see, we have this line at the center. This is useful when we want to, for example, keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And this is how to use that. Of course, when you don't need this, you can easily go back to the left corner, slide down and use this button. So for now the leveler has gone here, and by using this settings bar we can easily go back to the standard photo mode. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.